What up, YouTube? This video was taken on this Monday afternoon, January 17th, 2022. Time right now is 3:09 p.m. And I didn't realize it was a holiday today, so that means schools are closed. So I'm here at a elementary school. And I went to go to the post office to send out a birthday card for my sister, whose birthday is in 2 days. But it looks like it's not going to make it because when I went to the post office, they were closed. So that's the one thing about being an adult, I guess. You don't really pay attention to the holidays. And today is a national holiday. So I never flown here before. I did fly 3 packs before this video, but I was mostly practicing on doing a Matty loop. And I noticed there's a cool awning to power loop over here behind me. So let me just knock this out of the way. Very windy today. I noticed a lot of people up north seem to got snow today. It cooled down here, so it's sweater weather. And which I enjoy. Let me see if I can practice doing some backward flying. Come on, keep it going, keep it going. But no snow here. I do miss the snow. I miss the 4 seasons, actually. Oh, there's a palm tree there. I'm feeling a little lazy. And we're still good. I don't know if this is supposed to be a flagpole or a radio antenna. Oh, didn't have enough power there. But yeah, I missed the 4 seasons. I don't know if this is from moving down to Florida or if it's from not being in school anymore. But in my adult life, I'm incapable of keeping track of what time of the year it is. Like, for me, it mentally feels like, oh. Thought it would be cool to kind of dive down that palm tree. Let me try that one more time. But yeah, for me, I feel like it's fall, but I know it's now winter. But it might be not having the seasons down here in Florida, or it might be just not being in school and not having those winter breaks and what have you to kind of, and summer breaks to break up the year. Okay, I'm going to try that Matty flip I was practicing before here.
Low battery, 22 volts.
Oh, very sloppy, but I got it by a technicality. Maybe I'll try it a little better.
Low battery, 21.7 volts.
I flew this weekend, but I just wasn't in the mood. I filmed videos, but I just wasn't in the mood to, wasn't in the zone. Oh, okay, so I got that Matty flip by technicality. Okay. I have enough battery for one more attempt on the Matty.
Low battery, 21.8 volts. Low battery.
Okay. I don't have enough battery left, but I'm going to try it anyway.
21.6 volts. Low battery.
And that's all she wrote. Yeah, I just haven't been in the zone to posting videos, and I'm probably not going to post this video because it didn't go like I thought it would. But I don't know, I have fun flying, whether I post a video or not. Thanks for watching. Let's see ya.